Hi everybody, my name is Maribel and hope you guys are doing great, enjoying this beautiful sun outside today. It's pretty sunny outside my house, so I will probably be going outside and enjoying the view of the sun. Maybe I will do some planting, but in this video I'm gonna do a unboxing of my Boxycharm for July. So let's see what I got in this month. I got this little paper. Well, I got my items in the back in my box, and I got this Detox hair serum, nutrient plant scalp treatment. Ooh, it's nice. It has neem oil, condition your hair and reduce dandruff, and also has argan oil, support and strength hair foliage, and also has almond oil, soothe folking and itching of the scalp. Nice. I would definitely be trying this one. And this is how it looks. Right here. And this one is, let's see. This one is $63. Let's see. Oh no, hold on. Oh no, it's $79. Yeah, $79 for these. So definitely we will try it on. This one. And the next thing is this billion dollar bra top. And it's top. And the shade of top. And this one is $16. So nice. Cool. And the next thing is this Grandeglow Plumbing Liquid Highlighter. Oh, this is a nice highlighter. And it's in French pearl. Nice. This shade. I don't know if you guys can see it well. This shade of pearl. Nice. And this one is see. This one's $25. Nice. And I got this MudMasky vitamin infused eye serum. Moisturize booster, vitamin booster, feeding, nourish, and firming. Nice. And this $63. Nice. And the last thing in my box is this hydrating complexion trio Alam excuse me, Alamar, and this fair light. This is use Brighten. And dry the bronzer shade to add. This is Brighten shades, cheeks and forever and jaw. This palette, Brighten and bronze complexing trio. This one is $25, and this ones are the 3 shades. Came clear. Is a trio which includes sculpting powders designed to bronze and brighten your look, designed with skin tone and skincare in mean. They are talc free and formulated with hyaluronic acid for a hydrated and buttery smooth finish. Vegan and cruelty free. Which is nice. So yeah, this is all the stuff I got in my box. Hopefully you guys like this video, and if you guys like it, please like and subscribe. I appreciate it. Thank you, and have a nice day today. Enjoy your day. Bye.